Hello and welcome everyone to first order discount at Hostinger. If you are looking to buy Hostinger from Hostinger with exclusive special discount codes, what you have to do to get these discounts, especially the first order discount, is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount based link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see amazing Hostinger deal running over here. And then if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, Hosted Device, WP Beginner, everyone praising Hostinger for their finest services, which is just amazing. And if you look around on some of the reviews on Trustpilot, you may be surprised to know that majority of the reviews are 5-star reviews and almost everyone praise them. Hostinger is one of the most reliable hosting, great VPS company, hosting company, very impressive. So almost everyone praising them. And the best thing is that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence because all of the plans have loaded the exclusive 30 days money back guarantee. Now these are the three most popular plan, and the first order discount is valid in all these plans. I will also tell you two of the finest coupon codes, but I want you guys to stay with me because I'm going to tell you more things about Hostinger. Like the Hostinger has data centers all around the world, which is just amazing. And then they have their own website solution builder. They provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology, again, which is just amazing. 24/7 support is a part of them. Currently, at this moment, 3 million people are using hosting as their primary hosting company, and even I'm one of them. The advanced security features are amazing, like DDoS protection, malware, and SSL certificate. So you're getting a lot with them, and automatic backups. And they also provide you free migration. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to hosting it, they're going to help you with their tool is going to do all the stuff automatically. And in case if you still need the help, the agents are going to help you free of cost for that as well. So now what you have to do is to simply select the see all features and do your research first of all on what plan you are going to offer. These are the three most popular plans, but you can offer other plans as well. Simply select hosting, website builder, so many plans they have. Do your research on what functions, features you may need, what are your priority. And this first order discount is valid in any plan you're going to choose. Make sure to click on the link in the description if you want to enjoy the special discount. Once you finalize your plan, simply select the choose plan with any plan you are going to offer. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, you are going to choose your billing period. You are going to apply a special discount code, which I'm going to tell you right now. Plus, you will see that this is a limited time deal, and again, you know that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with ease. That all of the plans are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy. So if you ask me, I have been using Hostinger from the last 3 years, and my experience so far of Hostinger is just amazing, and which is why I definitely recommend you guys to opt for your hosting with Hostinger. So you can see over here that this is a limited time deal over here, and the discount is already loaded. But wait, guys, I'm going to tell you special discounts. So what you have to do is just first of all select your billing period. If you ask me, I recommend you to opt for the 48 months because you're saving the most amount of money and it won't appear again. And this is a first time order. So I want you guys to take the maximum out of it because it 48 months is a special pricing and won't come here, appear again. And you're also getting free domain plus 3 months free, which is just amazing. And you know that the discount is already loaded and this is a limited time deal. But select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code to get even further discount. Make sure you have clicked on the discount link. So you can find this coupon code in the description of this video, guys. You have to manually write it. You don't have to copy and paste. And once you manually write it, simply apply it, and you are going to see a further discount on already running discount. So you can see over here that the process is simple. After this, simply select the continue with this, and then you will be redirected to the billing period. Hosting the offer a variety of billing periods. You can select your billing details over here. Then after this, simply continue and select your payment method. And as I told you, like Hosting will offer a variety of payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference. It's as simple as easy. Simply select your payment method like this, write your credit card details over here, and simply select the submit button. It's as easy as ABC. So I look forward to you guys on Hostinger. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus, use either of this coupon code to get amazing discount with Hostinger. Good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.